Hello, I'm Charles Frank. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I'm the senior surgeon at Advocate Condell Hospital in Libertyville, Illinois. I had to have a total hip, and I requested that ZipLine be used for the closure at the end of the procedure. I was very concerned, as all of you are, with infection. And a distinct advantage of ZipLine is that there are no holes made in the skin. It's much like a big Band-Aid. It's been proven and used throughout the United States, and I wanted to share this fact with you so that you would have the opportunity to consider using it and benefit your patients and your practice. When I had the total hip done, the orthopedic surgeon had already been using it for many years and was glad to accommodate my request because that was his routine, which was another reason I picked him to do the surgery.